Welcome back and thank you for joining me. It's springtime, snow is melting, there is lots of water, puddles, potholes. It's a mess on the streets and this is the best time of year to replace your wipers. I got original wipers from the dealer for the windshield and the back window. The part numbers are visible on the screen right now. I prefer original wipers since they do the job properly and they maintain that low profile attachment. To install the front wipers you will need to put into service position, which is in your owner's manual, and I will show you how it's done. The replacement is pretty easy. Just click on the square tab, pull on the wiper and it's gonna unclick from the holder. The rear wiper is the same, simply pull on it, it's gonna unclick and the new one clicks in. Let's go ahead and do that. To activate the windshield wipers into service position, the car needs to be on or ignition in the on position. In my case I'm gonna start the engine. Once you turn off the engine, you just pull on the lever up, hold it, the wipers go up and they will remain in this service position. Now you can work on it. Next time you start the engine, they will go back into neutral position. The box contains obviously two wipers, the driver's side and the passenger side, and it's marked which wiper goes on which side. The X will indicate on which side it will go. To unhook, you just press on that square tab and pull the wiper off the arm. Press in the square tab and pull on the wiper to get it off the arm. Just wiggle it around and it's gonna disconnect. The original Volvo wipers are not cheap, but believe me, they're not much more expensive than aftermarket ones. I checked in my nearby store and the price difference wasn't that big. And also what I like about the original wipers is that the connector is low profile and it maintains that look, unlike some aftermarket wipers which increase the distance, the height between the arm and the actual windshield. So I do prefer the original wipers here. I'm gonna start the engine and the wipers will go back into the neutral position. Let's go back and replace the rear one. The rear wiper is obviously a single piece, very easy to install. It just clicks in. So what you want to do is just pull carefully on the wiper away from the arm and it will unclick. When installing the new wiper, be careful not to bend the rubber piece. So make sure you're pushing only on the plastic tab and not the actual wiper. And it's done. I'm gonna add some windshield washer fluid. Volvos that are equipped with headlight washers will consume more fluid, since every fifth spool on the trigger will activate the headlight washers. That's why your Volvo is equipped with a bigger tank. So make sure you have some extra on hand. Let's give it a try and see how they perform. And it works really well. Streak free, they clean very well, and now it's gonna last me at least a year, if not more. Let's check the rear one. And same here, it works really well. Please stay tuned, the next video will be coming up. Polestar review, yes, I did keep it, and some extra shots in slow motion. Thank you for joining me, and I see you next time very soon. Bye bye guys.